Today we're here at Teesside Auto Park. I've got the Panasonic FZ82 with me. We're going to give that a try and see if we can take some good shots in this high octane motorsport. The track action is a lot faster than the auto testing and the oval racing I've photographed before, so hopefully I can get the shutter speed right on the Panasonic and get some decent shots. So this is drifting. And there we go, that's drifting. Camera settings today, I'm using the camera in shutter priority mode. I'm using the thumb wheel on the back to slow down and increase the shutter speed. For this type of action, what I want to do is to get motion in the wheels and the background, keep the car nice and sharp in the photograph, and get some billowing tyre smoke, that type of thing. Unfortunately today it is a little bit damp, and that's going to make the car slide a lot easier without actually getting this tyres smoking. So today's photographs might not be quite as spectacular as some I've taken in the past, which I'll show you now. Those shots were all taken with the Nikon D3300 using the 55 to 200mm Nikon lens. Again, it's much more of an expensive setup than the little Panasonic FZ82, which, as we know, is very much a budget camera, 300 quid. And let's face it, if you follow the channel a lot, I've taken all sorts of types of photography using this little camera, and it always turns out pretty decent results. Yes, it's not going to get you a top full frame DSLR or mirrorless camera quality, but for the average photographer just wants to take some good photographs of the day out, I think this is a little gem of a camera. So it was a great morning here at Teesside Auto Park. About to head home now. Hopefully the photographs have come out, and if they have, I'll show you them now. That just leaves me to say thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, then why not subscribe? It doesn't cost you anything and you get to see more great videos. If you'd like to support the channel financially, then I do have a buy me a coffee link in the description below. So, see you in the next video, and bye for now.